instantly access cold drinks and snacks with this Essentials mini fridge. Choose where you want to place it and make it look at home with a reversible door letting you amend the way in which the door opens. Fill it with cans, bottles or snacks in its spacious 40-litre capacity, ideal for student dormitories or home offices. The tabletop design is clean and subtle, with adjustable feet allowing you to customise its height from the floor. Store your preferred snacks on the shelf and give yourself access to snacks from your home office space, whilst freeing up space in your main fridge for essentials.